Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Nur Iman bin Muhammad Zaid. My metric number is 077216. So, in this video, I will show you about the student testimony on Sulam. So, what is the benefit from the Sulam that I get? So, I think I can learn new things about the farming. At the same time, I also can improve my communication skill between my friends to the farmer. So I also learn in work team. So that is the benefit that I can get from this program. So what is the most things that I enjoy from this program? First is I can visit the farm and see the actual work. I also can working with friends in a group. So lastly, I learning outside the room. So I'm really enjoy when I join this program. So what is the action that I take after complete this Sulam program? First, I will keep learning about the agriculture. As we know, the agriculture is very important for each country and for government. So I will join more community program. Lastly, I will improve my skill and experience. So I think that's all my explanation for this video. So for the conclusion, I think after I join this program, I can get many experience of this program. I can see the real life as a farmer. So I'm really enjoy my work in the team. So yes, after I talk with farmer, I know the real life in this industry. So I hope I can learn something from this program. I will encourage my friends to join this program for the next time. So I think yes, I get many knowledge from this program. For this, I never know about the paddy, but this time I know everything because I asked the farmer about paddy. So yes, I think this is the best experience for me. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching.